Good morning, my dear students. This is Vishal Upadhyay, as you know very well, from Ikra Desire English School. This video is for class 7. So, please watch this video till end. The student of class 7, ठीक है, and subscribe the channels more and more, and uh, also tap the bell button for notification. Okay. So today we shall know about Indian Navy. In previous classes, I teach you. It means I tell about you Indian Air Force and Indian Army. Okay. So today we shall know about Indian Navy. Okay. First, we shall know about when Indian Navy founded. Okay. So that Indian Navy founded on 5 September 1612. Okay. And who is the head of Indian Navy? That's name is Admiral Karambir Singh. Okay. So your chapter is saying that Indian Navy is organized into 3 commands. Okay. With Eastern Command, Southern Command, and Eastern Command. Western, Eastern, and Southern. It has 11 training center to produce efficient naval officers. ठीक है, यानी this is characterized by 11 training centers. That's name is Indian Naval Academy, INS Angri, INS Velsura, and Naval Air Station Garuda, INS Kunjali, INS Shivaji, INS Vendrathi, INS Sarkars, INS Chilka, INS Dronacharya, and INS Hamla. Okay, this is the 11 training centers, and then know where is it situated. Okay, so listen carefully. I will also send this in your WhatsApp group. Watch and learn this. Okay. Indian Naval Academy is situated in Kerala. INS Angri is situated in Fort Mumbai. INS Velsura is situated in Jamnagar. Okay. Naval Air Station Garuda situated in inaugurated in Cochin. फिर INS कुंजली situated in कोलबा sorry. INS Shivaji situated in Lonavala. INS Vendrathi situated in Port Wellington Island, Kochi. INS Sarkars situated in Visakhapatnam. INS Chilka situated in Odisha. INS Dronacharya situated in Guneri School, और INS Hamla situated in Malad, Mumbai. Okay, so this is all training centers and their location. Okay, so learn about. If you have any doubt or you have any questions, please contact to me, our comment section, our in WhatsApp group. Okay, if you know more about Indian Navy, Indian Air Force, our Indian Army. Okay, so that's all for today. We shall meet in next period. Okay, thank you to all for watch this video. First like the video and then subscribe and then tap the notification button. Okay, thank you.